Hey! Come over here for a second. I want to show you something that most people look at every day but never actually understand. We're taught that the terminal is just a place to type commands. But under the hood, it's actually a complex system of plumbing. Every single command you run, from a simple ls to a massive server, is given 3 specific doors by the Linux kernel. Door 0 for things coming in, door 1 for things going out, and door 2 for errors. Let's actually look at these doors. I'm going to run a tail command on a log file. I like using tail for this because it stays alive, it keeps the pipes open so we can inspect them. Now, while that's running, let's peek into the brain of the system. We're going into the proc directory. This is a weird place, it's not on your hard drive. It's a virtual folder that the kernel creates in your RAM to show you what it's thinking. If we find our process ID and look into the FD folder, that stands for file descriptors, we see our 3 doors, 0, 1, and 2. Look at the arrows next to them. See that one? It's pointing to something called dev points for. That's not a random string of text. That is the actual device file for the terminal window you are looking at right now. The program is literally wired to this screen. Pause to let the user look at the ls output. But here's where it gets crazy. If these are just wires, that means we can unplug them and plug them into other things. Let's try a terminal hijack. If I type tty in this terminal, I can see its address. Here it's dev points 0. Now I have 2 different screens with 2 different addresses. Watch what happens if I take a message and manually point it at that second screen. I'm going to echo a message, but instead of letting it go to its own screen, I'm sending it to the address of the other one. It's like magic. The command is running in my left hand, but the text is appearing in my right hand. This is the crazy moment. Check this out on the screen. Right now, my tail command is plugged into the terminal. But the moment I add that greater than a sign and point it to output.txt, look at what happens in the proc folder. The link for FD1 instantly updates. It's not pointing to my screen anymore, it's now wired directly to that text file. And if you've ever wondered how a piper works, you know, when we use that vertical bar to link 2 commands. It's the exact same logic. The kernel takes that output pipe of the first command and plugs it directly into the input pipe of the second one. It's like Legos. You're just snapping these 0, 1, and 2 pipes together in different combinations. Once you see it this way, you realize that piping isn't some complex coding trick, it's just a physical connection happening inside your random access memory. Take a look at your own proc folder today. See where your pipes are going. It'll change the way you see your terminal forever. If this deep dive into Linux pipes actually clicked for you, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and join the channel. We're going to be doing a lot more of these under the hood sessions. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what part surprised you the most, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the walkthrough. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.